We are in Everly looking at the Biscane 2, Coastal A, 17525 Glistening Court, 3,281 square feet, 4-bedroom, 4-bath with a den, 3-car garage. Move-in special is $1,099,000. Nice little porch. Looks like we have hurricane impact glass in the front. Right here to the left-hand side is a bedroom in the front with a bath. Then we have a den. No closet. Beautiful kitchen. Under the counter lighting. A gas range. Accent ceilings. Is your pool. Here's the master. We have his and her closets. Double vanity. Walk-in shower. We have the washer and dryer here to the right as you come in. Here's your 3-car garage. It's another bedroom here and bath. Upstairs, and this is the difference between a Biscane 1 and a Biscane 2. Biscane 1 doesn't have the upstairs bonus, so this could be a bedroom or an office. And then this would be your multi-purpose room, and we have a bathroom up here as well with a shower and a tub.